Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous class we were discussing about the topic that is exercise number 3.3. So today in this session we shall continue with our problems related to this particular exercise, that is 3.3. Dear students, in this particular session we are going to discuss about the very important kind of questions that occurs in your examination for 3 marks as well as for 5 marks. Okay dear students, now let us continue with the problems. The first problem what we have, that is prove the following. First one is cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 sin x. This particular thing I require to prove here. Now here first of all I will write down the LHS part. What is the LHS part here? That is nothing but here cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x. Now here we are knowing one formula. What it is? We know that. Which formula we are knowing? That is nothing but here cos x minus cos y. Okay. For our convenience I will write it as cos a minus cos b. Now what formula we have? That is minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into what we have is sin of a minus b divided by 2. Okay dear students, this formula we will make use here. Very simple formula, everything is same. Here a means this whole term is a, this whole term will be our b part, that I am going to substitute now. So which is equal to cos a minus cos b, it is minus 2 sin of, what is a part here? A means 3 pi by 4 plus x plus b part. Dear students, b part is here, this will be whole is b and this whole part will be a here, that is 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, that is sin of a plus b whole divided by 2 here. One thing. Next is sin of a minus b. A minus b means here 3 pi by 4 plus x minus of b part, that is 3 pi by 4 minus into minus, this value will be plus here whole divided by 2 here. Okay dear students. Now here we can observe that here plus x minus x get eliminates and here 3 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 get eliminates. Now what is the remaining part? That is minus 2 sin of 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, that is nothing but here 3 pi by 4 into 2 we have, and here 1 plus 1 will be 2, here 2 to get eliminates. Again the remaining part will be 3 pi by 4 only, that means 1 plus 1 it is 2, 2 into 3 pi by 4 divided by 2, 2 to get eliminates here. Okay dear students, this one thing. Then sin of here 3 pi by 4 get eliminates, x plus x 2x, 2x divided by 2, that is nothing but again we get it as x only. Okay, I will write here divided by 2, 2 to get eliminates here. That means what we have here, that is nothing but minus 2 sin of 3 pi by 4, okay, into sin x. This is the value. But here we require to find the value for sin of 3 pi by 4 here. So before that, what in terms of radians it is, I will take it in the form of degrees here. So what we get here, that is 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 into 180 divided by 4. Now what we get here 290 and again 1 2, that is nothing but here, okay, 45 into 3, that is nothing but here 135 value. Okay, the value will be 135 here. 5 3s are 15 here, 3 1 3 4s are here 12 and then 13. Now here I will substitute this value in the place of, which is equal to minus 2 sin of 135 degrees into sin x, which is equal to minus 2 sin of, here 135 degrees can write as 90 plus 45 into sin x. According to allied angle formula here, sin of 90 plus 45, okay dear students, 90 plus theta means it comes in the second quadrant sign is positive. So here sin changes to what it is? Cos. The remaining part is cos 45 into what we have, that is sin x, which is equal to cos 45 value will be minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x, and at last 2 by root 2 value will be minus root 2 into sin x. That is nothing but here required result, that is your RHS. Okay dear students, that is nothing but our required proof here. From the LHS we had proved to our RHS part here. One thing. Okay, students. Now let us move on with the next problem here. The next problem is also very, very simple. Okay, the next problem, the question is sine square, next question, that is a sine square 6x, okay, minus of sine square 4x equal to, okay, that is sine 2x, we are having sine 2x into sine of 10x. Very, very simple problem it is. Now here we are knowing one basic formula. What is that? A square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. That formula will make use here. So before going to that, I will write down the LHS part. Now what is the LHS here? That is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. Now here we know that a square minus b square part. A square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. Okay, we know that a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. That I will write here, which is equal to, that is a sine of 6x minus sine 4x, okay, into, that is nothing but here sine of 6x plus sine of 4x, okay, that is a square minus b square. Now what is the formula for sine a minus sine b? That is nothing but here we know that both formulas I will write, that is a sine a minus sine b, or first of all sine a plus sine b, that is 2 sine a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b divided by 2, one thing. Then similarly sine a, okay dear students, that is sine a minus sine b, which is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sine of a minus b divided by 2. Okay dear students, these two formulas I will make use here, okay, that is sine a minus sine b, sine a plus sine b, these two formulas I will make use here. Very, very simple formulas. Now what we get, which is equal to, okay, these are the basic formulas, that is the trigonometric functions of compound angles. Now here sine x minus sine 6x minus sine 4x. So what we have, that we shall use sine a minus sine b, which is equal to 2 cos a, here it is the a part and it is the b part, here it is also a part and b part. That means a, that is sine 6x plus sine 4x, a plus b, that is 6x plus 4x divided by 2, into what we get dear students is sine a minus b, that is 6x minus 4x by 2, simple. Next thing is sine 6x plus sine 4x, what we get the value, that is 2, okay, sine a plus sine b, that is 2 sine, okay students, sine a plus b by 2, that is 6x plus 4x, 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, that is a cos of a minus b, that is 6x minus 4x divided by 2, okay. Now here we can observe that, I will simplify it, 6x plus 4x, 10x by 2, that is 5x, 2x by 2, that is x, 10x by 2, that is 5x, and here 2x by 2 is x here, that I will write down the value, which is equal to 2 cos, here 10x by 2 means that is the 2 cos 5x, okay dear students, 2 cos 5x into sine x here, into here 2 sine of 10x by 2, that is nothing but here 5x, into cos of 2x by 2, that is nothing but here cos x. Now since all the terms are multiplied here, okay, multiplied means what I will write down here, 2 sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x, one thing, and then 2 sin of 5x into cos of 5x, okay, these two formulas. Now what are these formulas that we have to understand? That is, we know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x, dear students. That means according to this particular formula, here 2 sin x into cos x, the value will be sin 2x into 2 sin x, okay, sin 5x cos 5x. That means in the place of x we are having 5x, everything is same, that is sin 2 into 5x. In the place of x we will write here 5x, very, very simple thing. That means here what I will get is, that is sin 2x into sin of 10x, that is your nothing result, that is nothing but your required result, that is your RHS. Okay, dear students, it was a very simple example. Dear students, if these examples are asked in your question paper, it will be asked for either 5 marks or either for 3 marks. Okay, dear students, now before going to the next problem, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is very similar to our previous problem, that is cos square minus cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. Now let us take out the LHS part. What is this LHS part? That is cos square 2x minus of cos square 6x. Now here we know the formula. What formula? That is a square minus b square, that is nothing but here a plus b into a minus b, dear students. Now here what we can write here, that is cos square 2x minus cos 6x, that is nothing but here cos 2x plus cos 6x, one thing, cos of a plus b into a minus b means cos of 2x minus cos of 6x, these two formulas. Now here cos a plus cos b, we know that the formulas I will write down, that is cos a plus cos b, which is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2 here, dear students. Similarly, cos a minus b, okay, that is cos of a minus cos b, which is equal to minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2 here. Now here a means it is 2x, b means it is 6x. A means 2x, b means it is nothing but our 6x. I will make use of the formulas here. Now what formulas we get here, that we shall understand. First of all, cos 2x into cos 6x, okay, that is cos a plus cos b. What we get here, that is 2 cos a plus b by 2. A plus b means here 2x plus 6x whole by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, that is a cos of 2x minus 6x divided by 2. This is one thing. Into, okay, here since it is into here, into 2 into again cos a minus b means minus 2. Okay, dear students, I will write down here, that is minus 2, here only I will write down, that is minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2. A plus b means what it is, 2x plus 6x whole divided by 2 into sin a minus b by 2, that is sin of a minus b, that is 2x minus 6x divided by 2 here. Now here minus 2 I will take it common outside, minus 2, again here 2 as it is, that is cos of 6 plus 2, that is 8 by 2, again it is 4, okay, 4x, okay, 8 by 2, that is 4x, here minus, so what we get here, that is nothing but here cos of minus 4x by 2, that is minus 2x, cos of minus theta, it is cos theta itself. Then into here again I will write out, since I taken here minus sign outside and it is multiplication here, 2 sin of 8x by 2, that is 4x into sin of 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x by 2, that is minus 2x. Now here we know that cos of minus theta is cos theta and sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta. Okay, again I will write down, we know that the formula cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta and sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. That means according to that particular formula, what we have is, I can write down as minus 2 cos 4x into cos 2x. Next part is into 2 sin 4x, okay, and then here sin of minus theta, that is minus sin theta, here minus minus becomes plus, that is 2x. Next here 2 cos, I will since it is multiplication I will term it, how we will multiply is 2 sin 4x cos 4x into 2 sin 2x cos 2x, in that I will group it. So what we get here, that is 2 sin 2x into cos 2x, okay. Similarly 2 sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos of 4x, in this manner I will group here, okay. Again one formula, that is we know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x, dear students. That means here in this particular thing, okay, whatever I had underlined here, sin x, 2 sin x cos x. That means what is the value for x here? X is nothing but our 2x, 2x. Both the values should be same here, x, x. Here also 2x, 2x should be same here. That means according to the formula, I can write as sin 2 into x. What is that x value here? That is 2x, one thing. Then here again thing, that is 2 sin 4x cos 4x. In the place of x we are having 4x, 4x. That is equal to sin 2 into x. What is the x here? 4x. So ultimately what we get is, I will multiply it sin 4x into sin of 8x. That is nothing but our required RHS part. That is your required result here. Okay, that is nothing but here sin 4x into sin 8x. Very, very simple and easy example. Dear students, if this question is asked in examination, it will be asked for 5 marks. Okay, now let us move on with the next 5 marks problem, that is prove that, everything is prove that only, that is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x, okay, plus sin 6x, okay dear students, plus 6x equal to, okay, everything is prove that here, which is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x, 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Now here we shall make use of which formula we have to make. Since here we have 2 sin of 4x, that is why I will group here sin 2x and here sin 6x I will group down here. That means what we get here, LHS, LHS part, what it is, that is sin of 2x plus sin of 6x plus 2 sin of 4x. That means I am grouping the terms here, sin 2x, sin 6x at the first. Now I will make use of the formula, that is sin A plus sin B, that is nothing but 2 sin A plus B, okay, this underlined portion, that is we know that sin A plus sin B, which is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, A minus B by 2, A minus B by 2 here, one thing. Next here, now we shall solve it. So what we get here, which is equal to sin A plus sin B, that is nothing but here 2 sin A plus B by 2, okay, that is nothing but here 6x plus 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into cos, what we get here, cos means 2x minus 6x divided by 2 plus what we have, that is 2 sin 4x remaining part, okay. Now here I will substitute it, that is a 2x plus 6x, 8x by 2, that is nothing but 4x, 2 sin 4x, cos of what we have here is, dear students, cos of minus 4x by 2, that is minus 2x, plus 2 sin of 4x. Since here I can take here 4x common, okay, 2 sin 4x I can take common, but before that again we know that cos of minus theta value is nothing but here cos theta, since it comes in the fourth quadrant cos is positive here. Now, so which is equal to 2 sin of 4x cos 2x plus 2 sin of 4x, 2 sin of 4x. Now here if I take 2 sin 4x common, which is equal to 2 sin 4x common, okay, into bracket what we have, that is cos 2x plus 1, okay, cos 2x plus 1. Now here cos 2x, what are the formula for cos 2x and what actually we require here? Since what is the proof that cos square, sin 4x is there, 2 is also there. Now just I require to find this value here, cos square. Cos 2x formulas, what are those? We know that there are 4 formula for cos 2x. Among that I will make use of cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. There are several formulas. Why? Because I require here only cos square. That's why I am making use of this. If I require the sin square means I have to use out 1 minus 2 sin square I will have used here. I would have used there. Now, which is equal to 2 sin of 4x, my dear students, into 2 cos square 2 cos square x minus 1 and again here plus 1. Now, which is equal to here minus 1 plus 1 get eliminated, so dear students. The remaining part is 2 2s are 4 sin 4x into, that is cos square x, which is equal to RHS, that is your required result. Very, very simple and easy example here. Okay, dear students, that is all, nothing but the problem. Now, dear students, before going to the next video, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next example here. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x equal to sin 2x divided by cos 10x. Now, let us move on with the LHS. What is the LHS here? That is cos of 9x minus cos of 5x whole divided by, that is nothing but sin 17x minus of sin 3x. Now, here we will make use of the formula, that is cos C minus cos D or cos A minus cos B. We know that. We will write down the formulas. We know that is cos A minus cos B. Actually, the formula is cos x minus cos y, but for your understanding, I am taking here A minus B. Why? Because everywhere the problems, wherever you are finding, everything we are having x and y. Okay, we are having x only. So, now here cos A minus cos B. What is the formula? That is nothing but here minus 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. That is sin A minus B by 2. Okay, this one formula. Similarly, sin x minus sin y, that is sin A minus sin B, which is equal to what formula? That is nothing but here 2. Okay, cos of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B divided by 2, which is your formula. Now, here dear students, cos A minus B, okay, that is cos A minus cos B. It is our A part, it is our B part. A part and the B part. I will make use of the formulas for the LHS only. That is nothing but cos A minus cos B. What we have? Minus 2 sin of A plus B by 2, that is 9x plus 5x, 9x plus 5x whole divided by 2 into sin of A minus B. Student, sin A minus B means 9x minus 5x whole divided by 2. A plus B by 2 and A minus B by 2 whole divided by sin A minus sin B. That is nothing but formula is 2 cos of A minus A plus B by 2, that is nothing but here 17x plus 3x by 2. Okay, dear students, into sin of A minus B, that is sin of A minus B is 17x minus 3x divided by 2. Now, here I will solve it. So, what we get here, that is minus 2 as it is, 2 get eliminates, minus sin of 9 plus 5, that is nothing but here 14. 14 by 2 means, dear students, it is 7x. Here 9 minus 5, that is 4. 4 by 2, that is nothing but here 2x whole divided by, here also same 20 by 2. 20 by 2 means it is nothing but here cos 10x. Here 17 minus 3, what we get here? That is nothing but cos of 14x. 14 by 2. 14 by 2 means that is nothing but sin 7x. Here we can observe that sin 7 get eliminates, and the remaining part, okay, and the remaining part what we get is here minus of sin 2x divided by cos of 10x. That is nothing but your required result. Here the value should be minus sign here. Okay, dear students, it is nothing but our required answer. Now, let us move on to the next problem. Okay, dear students, the next problem, sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x. Here one more thing we have to observe, that in the LHS part, denominator I can solve it very easily, that is cos A minus cos B. Whereas the numerator, whereas the upper part of the numerator, here I am having minus 2 sin 3x. Therefore, I will group these two terms first. So, because I am having the formula, that is compound angle formulas, sin A plus sin B formula. Now, what I can write? LHS part, that is nothing but here sin of 5x plus I will write here sin x minus 2 sin 3x. Dear students, I am writing here sin 3x at the last, 2 sin 3x at the last part. Then at the divide by cos of 5x minus cos x, cos of 5x minus cos x here. One thing. Next thing is sin A plus sin B formula. Now, what is that sin A plus sin B formula? We know that, okay, that is sin A plus sin b, which is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2, okay, into cos a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2. Similarly, we are already knowing cos a minus cos b, which is equal to minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. These two formulas we are knowing. Now, directly students, I am going to solve it here. That is sin a plus sin b, only for these two terms, which is equal to, that is sin a, this is a and this is our b. What you can write here, that is a 2 sin a plus b by 2, that is 5x plus x, 5x plus x by 2, okay, into cos. What we get here, cos of a minus b, a minus b means what we have, 5x minus x by 2, okay, minus 2 sin 3x we have. That means the last term as it is, divided by cos a minus cos b, which is equal to minus 2 sin a. What is a here? 5x, b is nothing but x here. That is 5x plus x by 2 into sin of 5x minus x by 2. Now, I will substitute here. What we get? 5x plus x, 6x by 2, that is nothing but 3x, 2 sin of 3x, one thing. Here 4 by 2, that is nothing but cos 2x, minus 2 sin 3x whole divided by minus 2 sin of 6 by 2, that is 3x, into sin of 4 by 2, that is 2x, one thing. Dear students, now since I require the value as a tan x, here 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x I can take common here. What I can take here, that is a 2 sin 3x if I take common. What is the remaining part? That is cos 2x minus 1 whole divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. Here we can observe that 2 to get eliminates. Sin 3x also get eliminates here. Only the minus term is remaining here. Cos 2x, how we have to write it? Okay, how we have to solve that? Whether we have to write in terms of, okay, that is the sin, or whether we have to write in terms of cos, that is the main part here. So, since our required, okay, proof, that is nothing but our tan x, how we require to solve it? One more thing, dear students. So, here cos a minus cos b. Now, here cos 2x, how we require to solve it? That is minus whole divided by cos 2x. Cos 2x can I write as 1 minus 2 sin square x, and here already it is minus 1 whole divided by minus sin 2x, minus sin 2x. Okay. Here 2 get eliminated, sin 3x get eliminates, minus sin 2x. Cos 2x means I am writing it as 1 minus 2 sin square x, because cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is your formula. I will write in terms of brackets, which is equal to, one you have to observe that plus 1 minus 1 get eliminates, remaining part is minus 2 sin square x divided by minus sin 2x formula, that is nothing but here 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, write down, because sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Now, here what terms get eliminates? Minus 2 get eliminates, sin square sin x get eliminates, and remaining part will be, that is nothing but sin x by cos x, that is nothing but our tan x, and that is nothing but your required RHS. Okay, dear students, the required RHS is also tan x. If this problem is asked in the examination, it is an important problem and he will be asked for, that is 5 marks, an important problem it is. Okay, dear students, so this is all about our exercise number 3.3 in your trigonometric functions. In the next session, we shall continue few more examples related to our exercise number 3.3. Okay, last 2 to 3 problems regarding this exercise, and we shall look onto the graph of the trigonometric functions, and submultiple angles we shall also look in the next session. Okay, dear students, till that, thank you.